Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to broadcast in WhatsApp. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already installed WhatsApp in my mobile device and updated it to the latest version. If you have not, do update it and log into your account right now. Now let's simply try to broadcast a message. Right here at the very top, next to the search icon, you will find these three dots. Simply click on it. Once you click on it, something like this will open up, like new group, new broadcast and such. Simply select the second option that says new broadcast. Once you've selected new broadcast, do note that you can select about 256 participants. I'm gonna select the participants right here. And once everything's done, I'm simply gonna click on the stick button that I'll find at the bottom right. Now a broadcast list has been created. Simply type whatever message you wish. And once everything's okay, simply hit on enter. Well guys, that's it. That's how you broadcast in WhatsApp. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.